Let's do this example of multiple human body, and I can promise you after 3 minutes you can draw this. So what we are going to do is that we are making a box giving us an idea that what would be a tentative size of the body, and what will be the total proportion within the page. So once this is done, then we are drawing one more sim like a box under the pelvic. This is the pelvic region, this is the rib cage and the head. That's it. Now this is the lady where we can see that I made the box like this way. Now here I think I have to erase it, and I will make it more in this direction. Okay, now this is the right angle. Now that we have the right angle, so we will do the foundation. So see, this is the hand. You remember the foundation, what we have done it? The rib cage, just like an egg. We have this pelvic part, then the leg part. So here she is in a process of with this heavy stick, which they are trying to make the masala out of it, the spices. The other lady, the face is down. She is trying to put a pressure with this stick. This is the stick which goes down here, and once this is done, then we will be working on the leg part. See, both the legs are crossed, and this lady who is sitting in a squatting position, and she is cleaning something in the utensils. So though her body would be covered with utensils, especially the pelvic area, still we will draw it. Now that we got an idea, we can draw the utensils and the sitting part and the rest of the places slowly. Now once this is done, then you can start working on the finalizing the every part of it. Now that you are working on the every part of it, remember this, we all this foundation, this is just for learning. You can directly draw this once you become a professional one. Now that you are learning it, I would always request you to draw the foundation like this way to get more and more idea. I'm sure after this 3 minutes you are able to do it. If you have done it, send me the pictures, comment below, and let me know what else you want to know. And see, one by one, we are completing this entire process of making these three human beings, three ladies who are working and trying to do their daily household work, the household chores. And this is the way you can work on multiple human beings and multiple structures, and you don't feel it very tough. Thank you so